Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add the 50 EMA in TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your chart on TradingView, then go to Indicators. Click on it, then go to the search bar and type EMA and choose Moving Average Exponential. Then click on the X icon and let's go to this one, to our EMA. As you can see here, this is the 9 EMA. So click on the gear icon, go to input and go to length and change it to 50. Then go to style and you can change the color here if you want, and you can change also the thickness, as you can see. After that, click OK and click on save. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.